Hello, welcome back at Servovision. Today we present our HubMotor kit with a 6-inch brushless motor, has a 24 volt high power and a high torque at 12 Newton met at a small size. It's available in single shaft or double shaft. The power is rated at 245 watt at 24 volt, which allows for a maximum speed from 200 RPMs. It comes with a lever to release the safety brake. When the power is switched off or the battery is used up, the user can engage the lever to freewheel the hub motor for manual operation. The hub motor can be used with a JoyStick configuration to set up wheelchair maneuvers and various riding styles, as setup page shown. Joystick unit will drive the two brushless motors in differential type. The joystick panel has on-off button as well as a battery indicator graph and a speed maximum setup. Optional, the kit can be equipped with a turning light, flashlight, braking light, sonar obstacle braking for automatic car AGV or other application. It can be drive as 4 wheels when requested. I will add some pictures at the end of the video with programming steps and the performance curve and some more information which you can pause to read them. So let's do a little test one. So switch on the system and we have a throttle here. As you can see, it spins. I can go in reverse, spinning as well. And as you can see, when I hit the brake, motor stops. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, see you next time.